chemical cleaning products are effective against the spreading of COVID-19. But using them to disinfect larger settings can be expensive, dangerous, and time consuming. Across the globe, there are thousands of warehouses, grocery stores, schools, and other spaces where cleaning workers are at risk. With that in mind, a team from MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, CSIL, in collaboration with Ava Robotics and the Greater Boston Food Bank, GBFB, designed a new robotic system that powerfully disinfects surfaces and neutralizes aerosolized forms of the coronavirus. The approach uses a custom UVC light fixer designed at CSIL that is integrated with Ava Robotics' mobile robot base. The results were encouraging enough that researchers say that the approach could be useful for autonomous UV disinfection in other environments such as factories, restaurants, and supermarkets. UVC light has proven to be effective at killing viruses and bacteria on surfaces and aerosols, but it is unsafe for humans to be exposed. Fortunately, Ava's telepresence robot doesn't require any human supervision. Instead of the telepresence top, the team subbed in a UVC array for disinfecting surfaces. Specifically, the array uses short wavelength ultraviolet light to kill microorganisms and disturb their DNA in a process called ultraviolet germicidal irradiation. The complete robot system is capable of mapping the space, in this case GBFB's warehouse, and navigating between waypoints and other specified areas. In testing the system, the team used a UVC dosimeter which confirmed that the robot was delivering the expected dosage of UVC light predicted by the model. Food banks are facing a particular demand due to the stress of COVID-19. The United Nations projected that because of the virus, the number of people facing severe food insecurity worldwide could double to 265 million. In the United States alone, the 5-week total of job losses has risen to 26 million, potentially pushing millions more into food insecurity. During tests at GBFB, the robot was able to drive by the pallet and storage aisles at a speed of roughly 0.22 miles per hour. At this speed, the robot could cover a 4,000 square foot space in GBFB's warehouse in just half an hour. The UVC dosage delivered during this time can neutralize approximately 90% of coronaviruses on surfaces. For many surfaces, this dose will be higher, resulting in more of the virus neutralized. As a first step, the team teleoperated the robot to teach it the path around the warehouse, meaning it is equipped with autonomy to move around without the team needing to navigate it remotely. It can go to defined waypoints on its map, such as going to the loading dock, then the warehouse shipping floor, then returning to base. They define those waypoints from the expert human user in teleop mode and then can add new waypoints to the map as needed. Currently, the team's focus is on GBFB, although the algorithms and systems they are developing could be transferred to other use cases in the future, like warehouses, grocery stores, and schools.